These days, some people ask me what's up and what will be the future of design, especially of design about appliance, interior, furniture, something like that. But even also about fashion, about other. I think the future of design will be change. Just is changing now, are changing a lot. In the process is a working process to change it totally to the as remain a lot of company thinking all the style, they remain still thinking all produce, watching the market, sportsmen, blah blah, più representative, come to the shop, show the catalog, blah blah blah, make the fair, but is changing a lot the market change unbelievable. I think most of is my point of view, absolutely. If you agree or don't agree, I don't care. And I think most of 50% of a company will disappear totally, as will disappear most of 50% of shops in the next future, because all is made online. Here, for make example, my wife buy toilet paper in internet. We buy 40 roll of toilet paper with a good price and also good quality. And anyway, we will buy, I think my idea of future, we will buy the project of a cup, of a knife, of a cup, of a fork, I don't know, maybe of a chair. We buy a project by designer in internet, and for some object we will produce at home with a 3D printer that every day became perfect, professional, and we will have the quality of the same object we buy now in the shop at home. If we want 2 cup, 3 cup, 10 cup, 1 red, 1 blue, 1 yellow, and we will print it. We buy a project by famous designer or not famous designer, we put in our 3D printer and we print. We buy material for the people. We'll have, as we did a long time ago with a printer for with a digital camera. Now we are making, nobody, a lot, quite, I think 70, 80, 90% of shop of photographer closed. Anyway, and we will do design like it. We produce design at home, little object. And for the biggest design, we will have a supplier that produce design we order. I think we buy a project from design website and we ask the big company supplier that work with a CNC machine, blah blah blah, and a big 3D printer. Sorry, can you print for me? Can you make for me this chair, this table, this, I don't know, jacket, I don't know, this glass? Maybe this is the future. Big company that manage a lot technology for produce a lot different design without brand. The brand will be the brand of a designer. I think we buy the designer project, design idea, design concept, and ask to producer with a good quality without think about the name of a producer, because we believe this producer is a big producer. They have, I don't know, 10,000, they produce in China, they produce in Vietnam, they produce in Italy, they produce in USA, they produce in France, in Japan, whatever. We don't care. We care about the design we need and the quality of a product finish without care about the name of brand of producer, because the production for a lot of product will be the same, made by machine, by robot. I buy a robot and that's it. I don't care. Unfortunately, disappear the knowledge of hand in a lot of product. the knowledge of handcraft, and we will have in another side, I think, the manufacturing like a niche of a market, by like a boutique made by people. We go to the some little workshop by artisan, if remain some, if the young want to understand and to know, to learn a little bit without lost the tradition of handcraft people, to make some object really super hyper quality and made, but will be the niche of market, and the production will be made by big company that hide and manage machine and the technology that produce from the chair, from camera, glass, I don't know, scarf or watch, whatever, but we will buy only the project. This is my idea. A lot of company disappear because a lot of company lost the meaning. They don't know, they are confused, they do plastic, nobody know. A lot of company have a bad management nowadays, and they will file it, they will close all. And the designer will be more important, only the project, the concept and the project.